this is Jibin Jose and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at goal seek, which is a part of what if analysis in our Microsoft Excel. So goal seek is a type of tool that we can use in order to check if this is the goal that we set, what changes can be made in a particular direction that we put in. Like while I'll explain you, you'll get to know how actually this works on. So in this case, I have taken an example of the amount that I've borrowed, the interest rate, as well as number of payments. So number of payments here is 20, which is 20 months, wherein if I have taken a loan of 3 lakh rupees with an interest rate of 11%, the bank has instructed to pay it in 20 months. So this is an estimation. It is not an actual value of any bank, but is just an estimate that I have taken in order to create an example to teach you goal seek formula. So in this case, first of all, let me calculate a value which I will have to pay monthly if at all I borrow this particular amount, that is 3 lakh with an interest rate of 11% and monthly payment of 20 months. In this case, first let me use the formula of PMT. PMT is a formula for payment. So PMT stands for payment. So in this case, I'll be using the formula of PMT, bracket open, and it says about rate. So in this case, the rate will be the interest rate, just because 11%, like all the banks give you a per annum data, like per annum interest rate. So in this case, we will have to take 11 and then divide it by 12. 12 months. So we'll be categorizing it into each month. So divided by 12, comma. So in this case, you can also change 11% into monthly basis and then write it in the column. But majorly, you find that the interest rate is given per annum. So that's the reason I've taken 11% and divided it during the formula time. Then is NPER. That would be the number of payments that we will have to do, and that will be 20. So I have calculated, like I have taken the cell which is B6, which stands the number of payments, then comma, then the next value is the principal value, that is the amount that we have borrowed. So in this case, it will be 3 lakhs. So I've taken that cell, which is B4, and then close the bracket and press enter. So you can see that the value is in negative. So you can actually add on a minus sign at the top end where the formula is been shown and press then enter. So you can see it has calculated it in the in a positive value. So this will be as of if you have borrowed 3 lakh rupees and with an interest rate of 11%, with the monthly payment, that is with the overall payment in 20 months. So monthly you will have to pay 16,485.44. Here is where the goal seek helps you in calculating. For example, with the total salary that you have, that remains to be any amount, but from that you can only take off 13,000. 13,000 is your budget. You cannot give out more 3,485 rupees. So you only have budget of 13,000. So in this case, first let me copy this table and then bring it back here and paste it. So first check, after copying, check whether the monthly payment, the formula has been there, because the goal seek will not function if the formula cell is not selected. So in this case, you will have to check, either you can do it from here. In order to make it more understanding way, I have created and copy pasted the table again. And in this case, I would wish to compromise with the like you can take anything. If you wish to change the interest rate, that can bring out to 13,000, or if you wish to change the number of months in order to bring the monthly payment to 13,000, or amount borrowed, it can be anything. So in this case, I'll be taking the amount borrowed. So as a heading for you to get a good glance, I will be writing uh, changing the amount borrowed. So you can see that I have taken this, and let me highlight it first. And you can see, like in this case, I would borrow less, and so that the estimate of monthly payment turns out to be 13,000. That is the goal that we have kept. So in this case, you will have to select the monthly payment cell, go to data option here at the top, and under which there will be towards the extreme right side, you will find an option called what if analysis. Click on what if analysis, and there is an option called goal seek. Click on that. So in this case, you get a dialog box like this, and you can see select cell. Already we have selected the cell, which is B24, and that will be the cell which will be changing, and we will have to change it. So the next is to value 13,000. So that is a goal. I only have the budget of paying 13,000 per month, so I have kept a value that is 13,000. By changing cell, so which is the cell you wish to change in order to get the value as 13,000? So in this case, we have already selected the amount borrowed, and I would select this particular cell and press OK. You can see automatically in seconds it has given me like if I particularly with this interest rate, if I with a number of payment months of 20, the amount borrowed, if it is 2,36,572.33, the monthly payment will come down to 13,000 rupees. So the goal that we kept was 13,000, and using GoalSeek formula, it has given me a particular amount that I wish to change, and it has given me a value automatically with the same interest rate, with the same number of payments of months, and with the goal that we kept, that is 13,000. Now let's look on to the interest rate. I've copied this and I've pasted it here. So first you will have to check whether the formula is being reflected on that particular cell. You can see it is reflected. So in this case, again, we are changing the interest rate, and I would like to highlight this cell, and you can see again you will have to select on the cell of monthly payment, go to data option, and go to what if analysis, go to goal seek. In this case, we have already selected the monthly payment, which is our aim of changing to value. Again, 13,000 is our goal. By changing cell is our interest rate, and press OK. So you can see with 3 lakh, if minus 16% of the total interest rate has been given, with 20 months, like within 20 months, the monthly payment will reach out to be 13,000. With 3 lakh of borrowing, minus 16%, and then using the number of payments as 20, it will give me a monthly payment of 13,000, and 13,000 was the goal that we kept. So this is a very easy tool that you can use in MS Excel, but instead several people don't know about it. It can help you in estimating any value. While you're purchasing a car, you can estimate a value, or if you, in the same scenario, if you're getting a loan from any bank or cooperative societies, you can estimate with your monthly budget. And these things is very easy, rather taking a pen and paper and working out. So this is more easy, and it estimates the goal as per your wish in a fraction of few seconds. So I think GoalSeek is one of the what if analysis which is very useful for estimating a value by changing on the conditions that is kept, and this is very easy to understand also. In the same way, you can also change the number of payments, like instead of by changing cell option in the dialog box, click on to the number of payments option, and particularly it will change and reflect with the monthly payment goal that you actually keep. I hope this video was useful for you, and you will use this in your day-to-day activities wherever possible. and comfort your life. And thank you for watching this video. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And if you like this video, also comment. If you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section. I will be happy enough to help you out in all the ways possible. And also, with the subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button, also press on the bell icon. That can give you a regular update of the videos that we upload. And as mentioned, keep learning, keep supporting, and thank you so much.